Tatawa din sila sa akin. So, this is what you call the smoky bites. Wow, ay, bongga. Ay,
Thing you can choose what smoky bites you like, Oreos and wafers. I want to get the wafers.
Baik.
Can you breathe through your nose? Does it work through the nose?
wow, hindi ang kaya. Oh, yeah. Very good. Okay na yan. Biryani is good. You don't eat biryani?
One sandwich. No, one sandwich. You don't want to do one sandwich.
I want biryani. Yes, me. I want biryani. Rice is life. Rice is life, I said.
Oh my gosh, it's a quadruple sandwich. Look at that.
Okay, I'm gonna follow it. Let me just finish this one. I'm cooking barbecue. Bili na kayo, barbecue dito. Dito tayo kay Uncle Medyo Pasta. Bili na kayo. Naan with the chicken. Uy, bongga ang videographer mo kanina nga dun sa may burger. Ganda ng buhay niya.
Done na, Yeah, Pepsi.
Yummy, yummy.
Ay, hindi pala nag-play yun. Ay, bongga. Ayan. I'm not scared. So I have to put it inside my mouth. Oh, it's so big, ah. Watch. What the smell?
You drink it. Then drink it. Your favorite taste. Drink it.
Drink it.
The taste is so bad. What is that? Drink more? Oh my
That's
god.
a good taste.
I hope this is sticky. Ano to?
You come.
Oh my
You come here.
god.
Come here. Come here.
Oh, sorry. What is that? Huh? What is that one? It tastes very bad. Thank you. Ice cream na lang to si Madam.
Madam, come, madam. You can try it.
Sige. Cheers! Sarap?
I want just ice cream itself.
Blue apple, make a Sprite, make a orange.
Baba Sprite.
Baba Sprite. Okay. Put one Sprite.
I will try green one.
Put green apple on the bottom. Blueberry.
Ready? Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Ready? All camera lights.
Right.
Action.
Yeah,
3,
yeah.
2, 1.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. One shot, give 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 one shot. Shot. One shot, give.
Yum, yum. Is this yours?
Palo, palo, G. Palo, palo, G. Palo, palo, G. It's one more biryani for us.
Biryani, the chicken and the egg, and this one. We made a live video of mukbang, eating this food, eating this biryani. See our review, see our video on my YouTube channel.
Wow.
Check it out.
Amazing.
We are in Aluth, Kade, in Colombo, having a street food today. Tonight, okay, we have biryani, chicken biryani, and some salad, egg, chicken, and the rice.
Guys, this is mukbang, mukbang in Aluth Kade, and this how to eat the rich people versus poor people. She's the rich one and I'm the poor one.
You're making them laugh.
Yes, it's enough for you. If you want more, you can
So
take
this is
it.
what I'm gonna have because Kate is gonna have more because rice is life for her.
Yes,
Right?
it is. We are Filipina.
Yeah.
Philippines.
Philippines.
Cheers.